welcome to our video. I hope you had fun. So keep on watching and see what we're gonna do. And this channel is called Family Unboxing.
Hi, welcome to Family Unboxings. This is our first video and we're going to do all kinds of unboxings of subscription boxes or just maybe some packages that we get.
Yeah.
So stuff for adults and stuff for kids, right? Mm-hmm. Maybe some books. We love books, as you can see. Today we have an adult subscription, and this is for Scentbird. So I've been doing Scentbird for a little while now. If you haven't heard of them, they do little perfume vials that they send you every month, and a few other things that I'm excited about. So here are some of the things, and you get to choose which perfume you want to do. And this is perfect for me because I don't like to have big bottles of perfume. I like to switch around, and perfume isn't something I wear every day. So I've been doing this, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. And you know, you can skip here and there, which I've definitely done too. And so what I've gotten in the past is this one. This is Commodities Gin. You can see they come in these nice cardboard tubes. I've also, Ash, if you want to show this one, this is a Nest fragrance. Go ahead. Called Black Tulip. Okay. Put that one away. Here's another one, Ash. This one, go ahead, you can show that one. That's Glossier, and that's their You fragrance. We'll put that back in. Okay. And then, hold on, we'll do this one next. And this is the other perfume. Actually, I have 2 more. This is Commodities Bergamot. And then, lastly, and they do give you a little container. Mine's been seeing the inside of my purse there with some pen marks. But what you do is you squeeze it like this, and it comes up. So this one, if I can remember, well, it's not helpful when you don't remember. Aha, just pull it out there. And this is Commodities Nectar, and that's the one I currently keep in my purse. And they give you a little pouch to keep it in. So it shouldn't have those pen marks, but it does. Another thing that they do, if you're kind of got your perfume collection, is
a candle.
A candle. So for $14.95, which is how much each of these cost, you could also get a candle. And this one is Earl Grey and Blackberry. Hold on. And so that's one other type of item that you can get. And then this month I chose something I was super excited about. So Ash, if you want to unbox. And I did choose this one for $14.95 plus $10. So this is kind of like an upgrade.
Okay, so this is what the card looks like.
So this is the Elemis, and it has a little coupon for it. And then you can find it in there. I'm super excited because this is a pretty expensive item, and I got it basically for $24.95. All right, so we have here the Superfood Facial Oil, and this is half a fluid ounce. So this is probably slightly smaller. I think their full size is 1 ounce. But for $24.95, I think this is definitely worth it. So here's the little oil bottle there. No. And that's it. That's my Scentbird for this month. So this was $24.95 because it was the upgrade. $14.95, I got the perfumes in the past, and then candles, and they have other things. So I'm glad they expanded beyond the perfume, because this is enough perfume for me for quite some time. 5 different ones. And we love candles. Candles are great.
Yep.
So that was our video for today, and maybe we'll be back soon with another video, maybe a kid's box or another adult box. Or what?
Or a kawaii box.
Oh yeah, we do get the kawaii box. They love the kawaii box. So thank you for watching.
And I have